Hey guys, welcome back to Shantana cooking vlog where we cook, make, serve, eat and drink. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to prepare Jamaican corned beef with corn and also serve with some well steamed brown rice. So make sure y'all stay tuned to see how I create this meal. Thank you guys. Ahead and wash the rice. I went ahead, wash the rice, add my salt to it. I had some butter, and the green stuff that you see swimming around is some dry parsley. Like ever since I actually purchased a pack of dry parsley, like every single thing I'm cooking I have to put some in it. And actually when you put it in the rice and it done cook and everything, it actually tastes nice. So I'm just gonna let it stay here and then let it boil. These are the stuff that we're going to use. So we have grace corned beef. I think this brand is Eve sweet corn, and I have some tomato there, onion, pepper and some garlic. You can also add scallion and thyme and sweet pepper to it to give it a nice flavor, but I don't have those in kitchen now, so I'm just going to use the tomato, onion, pepper and garlic. The garlic, why I put garlic in it is because sometimes like when you eat the corned beef it tends to settle on your stomach, so when I add the garlic on it, it doesn't settle on my stomach. So that's what we're going to have. So this is boiling now, and as you can see the dry parsley settle in the middle of the pot. But what I normally do, I let the water dry out the rice. That's when I stir it up, because no matter how you stir it up it will always come back to settle in the middle. So it's boiling up now, so I'm gonna let it sear for a couple more minutes. Then add some oil to the pot, not too much because the corned beef itself is kind of oily, so you just add enough to like to cover the base of the pot. Then you're gonna let the oil add a little bit, then you're gonna add the seasoning to it. So I add the seasoning to the pot now, so I'm just gonna let it stay there a little bit. I'm just gonna stir it and let it saute just for a few minutes. I'm going to add the corned beef to it and just incorporate the corned beef with the seasoning that I have. And the fire is on low heat. You don't need it to be high, so because you want the heat to penetrate to the corned beef, because really and truly the corned beef is actually cooked already, so you're just letting the heat penetrate in it a little bit more. There you go, let it stay there just for like 2 minutes there about, and then you add the sweet corn to it and the season. So the water not completely dry out, but it's somewhat dry out, so I'm gonna just put a bag over it and let it steam for a few minutes. And as y'all can see, the parsley is all over, evenly distribute in the rice pot. For me, I normally the same bag that the rice come in, I normally wash it properly and then put it back over the rice for it to steam. So I'm gonna let it steam for just for a few minutes and then come back to it. There you go. And for the meat now, it's at its peak, so I'm gonna add the corn to it now. As you can see, it looking very rich and pretty. So I'm just gonna evenly distribute the corn into the corned beef and the seasoning. No, I didn't use any water from the sweet corn as yet. I normally put it aside if I have it right there. So I'm just gonna stir this a little bit. Let me turn up the stove on medium to some extent. I'm gonna let this stay. Also I'm gonna add some powder season to it, and also gonna add some parsley in it as well. Add the parsley, add the season to it, and let me know if in the comment section if it's me alone who had ketchup to corned beef. Whenever they're cooking up corned beef, I always like to have ketchup. It does give a nice little sweet taste to it, so I had a little bit in it. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of the sweet corn water in it, not too much because I don't want it to be too soppy. So you can just sprinkle a little bit in it, not too much because you don't want a sloppy corned beef. So I'm just gonna turn up the flame a little bit more, and then I see if I can gradually add some more sweet corn water to it. yeah, pretty much that's it. So yeah, so I'm gonna let it stay for like 1 minute because I don't want it to dry up. I let it spring some water from the pot cover and then come back for it. Yeah, so if you could smell this. So I'm gonna let it stay there for like 1 minute to be exact, and then come back for it. Water on the pot cover, it actually starts springing. That's what I wanted. Yes, that is it there. So pretty much that's it. So I'm just gonna stir it and then turn off my pot, share it, and come back and let y'all see the finishing look. All right, guys. Yes, take off the bag. Yes, so this is all my rice looking. You see the parsley all over in it. I taste it and it's okay now, so I'm just gonna turn off the stove and come share. Thank you guys for watching. So this is the finishing look of my meal for today. Feel free to give this meal a try or any of my other cooking vlogs that I've uploaded, and feel free to send a photo or a video, so the moment I upload another cooking vlog you'll be the first to see as well. I also will be leaving my PayPal account down below, so if you want to sponsor a meal you can feel free to do so. Thank you so much for watching Shantana cooking vlog, where we cook, make, serve, eat and drink. Bye guys.